Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the man cave space wall decor and best practices for decorating your man cave space to look cozy and stylish. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A man cave is more than just a room, it's a personal sanctuary where men can unwind, relax, and indulge in their passions. One of the most crucial elements of a well-designed man cave is the wall decor. The right wall decor can transform a simple room into a stylish and inviting space that reflects your unique personality. Man cave wall decor refers to any decorative element that is used to enhance the aesthetic appeal of a man cave. This can include artwork, photographs, memorabilia, signage, and more. The goal of man cave wall decor is to create a space that is both functional and visually appealing. Decorating your man cave living space is essential for several reasons. First, it can help to create a sense of identity and personality. Second, it can make the space more inviting and comfortable. Third, it can increase the overall value of your home. How to decorate a man cave space with wall decor? There are many ways to decorate your man cave space with wall decor. Here are a few tips. First, choose a theme. Deciding on a theme for your man cave can help you to focus your decorating efforts. Popular themes include sports, movies, music, and hobbies. Second, consider the size of your space. The size of your man cave will determine how much wall decor you can use. A small space may require a minimalist approach, while a larger space can accommodate more elaborate decorations. Third, use a mix of textures and materials. Adding variety to your man cave wall decor can make the space more visually interesting. Consider using a combination of textures and materials, such as wood, metal, and fabric. Fourth, don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to find the perfect man cave wall decor is to experiment. Try different combinations of items until you find something that you love. What are the best items for man cave wall decor? There are countless items that can be used for man cave wall decor. Here are 10 popular options. 1. Sports memorabilia. If you're a sports fan, displaying your favorite team's memorabilia is a great way to personalize your man cave. This could include jerseys, signed photos, or trophies. 2. Vintage maps. Vintage maps add a touch of history and character to any space. They can be framed and hung on the wall or used as a wallpaper. 3. Movie posters. If you're a movie buff, displaying your favorite movie posters is a must. You can find posters for classic films or modern blockbusters. 4. Musical instruments. If you play an instrument, displaying it in your man cave is a great way to show off your skills. You can also hang framed photographs of your favorite musicians. 5. Vintage signs. Vintage signs are a popular choice for man cave wall decor. They can be found in a variety of styles and materials. 6. Industrial style decor. Industrial style decor is a popular trend in man caves. This style features elements such as exposed brick, metal pipes, and vintage lighting. 7. Personalized artwork. Personalized artwork is a great way to add a unique touch to your man cave. You can commission a custom piece or create your own artwork. 8. Corkboards. Corkboards are a versatile piece of man cave wall decor. They can be used to display photos, notes, or memorabilia. 9. Shelves. Shelves can be used to display a variety of items, including books, games, and collectibles. 10. Mirrors. Mirrors can help to make a small man cave feel larger and more spacious. They can also be used to create a focal point in the room. Your man cave should be a reflection of your personality and interests. By carefully selecting the right wall decor, you can create a space that is both stylish and inviting. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of decorating your man cave. Ready to transform your man cave? Start by exploring our wide selection of man cave wall decor ideas at Homes Decor Designs. Let us help you create the ultimate personal sanctuary. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.